Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make a omelette but in the microwave. It's going to take 3 minutes and 30 seconds to make. If you want to see this video, stay tuned. Okay, I have in here, first of all, I see this recipe in Facebook and I'm going to do it my way. I'm using a bowl, so I'm going to put 2 large eggs. I'm adding some onion powder. And I'm going to add 1 slice of cheese and 1 slice of ham. And that's optional. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. And I'm going to use this dish in here. It's the microwave safe. And I'm going to spray with the spray. So I'm going to move the mix in there. And I'm going to put that in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And after 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I'm going to flip them over and I'm going to serve this with 2 pieces of toast, and it's completely cooked, so I'm going to give this to my husband to enjoy it. So try something easy and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share in your social media. And I'm going to show you how it looks inside.